Hi everybody, I'm back with another episode on getting started with Python. So now we're going to get started with if-else conditionals. So number, assignment value, 10. If number is greater than 12. Oh, wait. So it automatically indents it for you. Print. This number is greater than 10. You guys could try this too. Right? Else, to go back over, that's our condition. Automatically indented for us. That's the thing with Python programming. It indents to execute the function. In this case, the if else. This number is less than 12. And we're going to run this so that you can see how it would look. If 12 is less than okay, let's see what happens. What did we forget? We forgot these. Too many. Okay. Let's do Command I. What do we got? An error! Line 10. Do you guys see it? Let's see. Oh, I see it. Okay. We didn't get anything. We got an error. That's what we got. What the heck? Okay. You guys are just seeing all my errors today. Now, save, Command I. Good! Finally. So the number is less than 12. It prints woohoo. And the number was 10, so therefore that's why we got it printed this number is less than 12. It printed this statement, right? And then it also printed woohoo. Now let's change the number. Let's make the number 15. Command I. This number is greater than 12, so it printed the first message here. This message. Woohoo. Woohoo! Hopefully that helped you with your if-else. That's basic if-else. Basic if-else in Python.